Welcome to in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here just scroll a little bit down and tap to the default notification sound and switch your currently notification sound to another one, just which you will like. For example, I'll go with this one, then just click here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our default notification sound. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe to our channel.